When the stock market opened this morning, we were in the green. The Dow was up about 600 points, actually about 700 points. NVDA was up to about 195, but something changed. And I actually mentioned in the first video I made earlier, I shared in there that the worry that we have is what the Fed's decision about interest rate. And of course, that is the worry that the market is having. Hence the reason why the market is falling right now. That is the Qs, the QQQ. If you are in that, that is down significantly. We have NVDA down to around 182 right now, right? And it's still falling. And actually, let me move this up on your screen so that you can see that, right? Bitcoin is down to 86,000. Palantir 156 right now. BA, which is Boeing, is down as well. ANET, AMD, all down. Everything is down right now. And if we check the indices, as we can see, we actually do have, let me move that down. The Dow is down as well, right? That's the Dow. It is down about 300, almost 400 points. Right there, we have S&P 500 is down to around 65, down about 0.93%. And of course, from the time it opened today, right? So looking at this, it doesn't seem like crazy, but it is crazy considering we, with Dow reaching about 46.5 this morning, and it's down about 45.8 to 45.8 right now. So it's giving up all the gains that we were, happy about earlier. And the question now is, what is going to happen with all this information? The reality, it remains that when things like this happen, you try to find opportunities. The Dow is down about 300 points. S&P is down about 56 points. The Nasdaq is down to 56 points. All right. But when you see situations like this, you're looking for opportunities in the market. And that is really what you want to do. This is an opportunity to buy some of your favorite stocks or ETF. And I always say that every time. When you're looking for opportunities, these are really how you find those opportunities. Nothing special. You just have to find them on discount and buy them when they are down. The reality remains that you just never know how this would play out. We are seeing a lot of downturn, a lot of worry in the market, but I'm not going to be worried about that. The goal is to remain focused on buying when there is discount in the market, right? The worry that they have about interest rates will take care of itself. The Feds will have no choice but to reduce rates. As we know, things are getting more expensive. Unemployment is going higher. Okay. It went up by 0.1% as of the jobs data that came out today. And my belief is that with inflation still being the issue, right, being one of the sticking points that the Fed is trying to deal with, I don't see inflation going down. That's the reality of that. I feel like we are at a point where it's either going to stay the way it is or even go higher. I could be wrong. And the reason why I say that is because we have a situation where all these tariffs are still trickling down, and we are still, the companies are still passing on the cost of this, paying for these tariffs. They are still passing them on to consumers. So things will definitely get more expensive, which means the Fed will not, the goal is to get to 2%, but at some point you have to focus on the worst thing that is happening. Jobs right now, a lot of layoffs was still, some companies are still laying off, right? I remember seeing that earlier. If I can find it now, a lot of companies still laying off as of today. Let me see, companies laying off today. We have actually Paramount. This was October 29th. Actually, what company was that earlier? they announced layoff of about 10,000 people. Verizon, right? Verizon laying off 13,000 people. Okay. And when you go back to all this stuff, right? When you, let me do window capture, Chrome. All right, let's go to, where is, I don't want this one. All right. Where is that headline again? I have all these ads that they're throwing on here. See, Verizon laying off more than 13,000 non-union employees, right? I don't know why they keep playing all these ads that I do not want to see. Jeez, right? The point here is you have all this information, and the thing is we can take advantage of these times by buying the dip, buying the greatest of the opportunities that you find. One important thing that I also want to share with you, right? Let me move this up. See that fear and extreme fear, all right, is where we are right now. And if you look at the fear and greed index, okay, this is where we are right now. And this is often the greatest times to get your discounts, right? This is where you want to buy. This is the region in the market where you want to buy. Sorry about that. This thing keeps popping up ads. And the reason why is because this is where you get the best discounts, whether it's in Bitcoin, whether it's in the stock market. This is where you want to actually buy most of your shares, and because things will sell off. Anyway, like I said, I spoke too soon. And that is the thing about the stock market that I always say, right? All these numbers that you see on the market, on a particular share price, they are all temporary. It changes really quickly. It fluctuates every minute. And if you are the type of person who is focused on just what the numbers are saying, I feel like you miss great opportunities. NVDA is a great company. They're still making a lot of money. Palantir is a great company. They're still making a lot of money, and I believe that will continue for some time. Okay. So as long as that is the case in the near term, and even on a long-term basis, 5 years, 10 years, I don't see these companies going anywhere. You still want to buy.